Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to get better at Fortnite. 1. Practice building. Building is one of the core mechanics in Fortnite. Spend times in creative mode practicing quick builds, edits, and advanced techniques. Good aim is crucial for winning fights. Practice in aim trainers or through Fortnite's creative mode to improve your accuracy, particularly with ARs, shotguns, and snipers. Watch tutorials, streams, or video from top players. Get familiar with the map, including loot spots, chest locations, and popular drop zones. Knowing where to land and the best loot can give you a significant advantage early in the game. Pay attention to the safe zone, and good sound awareness can give you an edge in detecting enemies based on their footsteps, chest sounds, and other in-game noises. Playing with a team can improve communication and strategy. Try playing with people who are better than you to learn from them. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.